Alright my friends, it's still a beautiful day and it was windy, but now it's a little bit better, so I hope you can hear me alright. Today another tutorial and we're going to do split S, split S, split S, split S, split S. Split S is, I think, really important because the split S keeps your flow together. It's a beautiful move to keep on flowing. All right. Split S. And this place is beautiful for the split S because of the little trees here. Here we go. So we talked about the slow roll, but if you're if you do that and you're upside down and you stay like that and you curve it around like this, that's a split S. And the nicest thing to do it is over a thing, of course, like a tree. So it's 180 roll and then fly out of it, under it. So 180 roll and go under it. That's a split S. Other side. And you can use the flick. We talked about the flick last time. And you can use this also, of course, with the split S. Over, under, over, under. All right, guys. That's the split S. Over, under. Let's check this tree, man. Over, 180, under. You can play with it, you know. So it's really nice to keep your flow together with the split S. You can do it over things, under things, over. Oh, the wind, guys. Over, under. And my battery is done. So that's the split S. Alright guys, see you guys next time.